This vibe don't belong to me. This vibe don't belong to me.
Drop her.
Dropped her.
This one is right. Drop, drop. Locked in. Come on. Be still. Can you feel?
They told me to find a balance, find the floor. I said the ceiling's just a door. They sold me responsibility and I respond like a sage. I wrote my name on every page with a spark. Over partying at the market, Uber partying in the limo car. Over partying when they tried to sell me stuff. Over partying when he tried to boss me. Over partying when he tried to dad me. Patronizing my granny way to the gym. I just left.
When she told me I should have stayed docile, I saw the fear I lost behind a smile. She never jumped, so she never flew. I'm doing what she wanted to, but never dared. I'm the life of the party. I'm the life of the disco. I'm the light of the street lights at night. Mind-lit, heartbeat. One day you'll be the life of the party too. But tonight
I'm over partying for you.
Over party with ragers and dogs in Rio. Over partying in SB, California. Over partying at bogus politics discussions. Over partying at plenary lectures. Over partying in my new girlfriend's bathroom mirror. I don't care what you think. The only thing that matters is my mom allows me. She knows I'm listening to my body. Repealing hypocrisy, welcoming the naughty. Living my life before it dies.
you should have partied more. You should have danced more. You should have laughed more. You should have jumped more. You should have cried from joy. You only get one body. You only get one life. Did you ever really listen?
I'm the life of the party. I'm the life of the disco. I'm the light of the street lights at night.
Mind me. One day you'll be the life of the party too. But tonight
I'm over partying for you.
this vibe don't belong to me. This vibe don't belong to me. This vibe don't belong to me.
It belongs to the night. It belongs to the light. It belongs to the ones who are truly alive. Over partying. Over partying.